When you have a desire, you can grow it by adding passion. And when you do, you will find motivation. Passion will continue to influence your motivation towards your goal. Passion is grease that turns desire into something of value. Passion is an intense desire that can get you to do unique and challenging things. Passion is an emotion that begs to be acted upon. Without action, passion yields no fruitful results. Passion is the fuel in the fire of action. When you have a passion for something, you love it even when you hate it. Passion can be, but it isn't just about work. It points to your intense emotions and feelings for someone or something. 12 steps to find your passion. Do things you love to do. Read about a variety of subjects. Listen to others before talking. Think about nature, vertical bar, feel the sun. Quit talking and start doing. Find a website about positive influences. Connected events matter. Get to know yourself better. Start a journal. Embrace a mindfulness practice. Find a coach. Surround yourself with others who share your passions. Find your true north, your authentic self.